Orbital sander is a tool used to sand and remove material quickly. Here are the tools and supplies you'd need for a sanding project. The round sanding discs attach to the sander using a hook and loop system so they can easily be replaced. When sanding, a typical progression is to work from lowest to highest grit. The lower the number, the more aggressive and deeper the scratches are when removing material. As the number increases, the scratch becomes shallower and the finish becomes smoother. General rule of sanding is to progress through at least 3 levels of grit progressions to achieve a smooth surface. For this outdoor table, we'll start with an 80 grit disc. Keep the sander flat to the surface while moving it around to remove the old stain. Make sure to sand the entire surface before moving on to a higher grit. Next, let's progress to the 120 grit sandpaper and pass over the table once again. This will smooth out any deep scratches, making the surface much more smooth. Last, we'll progress to the 220 grit sanding disc. Give one last pass over the entire surface. Once all the old material is removed from the table, it can now be resurfaced with a new coat of paint or stain.